Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking you on a journey to one of the most vibrant places on earth during spring, Keukenhof, Netherlands. If you are planning a trip to see the iconic Dutch tulips, this guide is designed to help you navigate your visit effectively, focusing on all details for a smooth experience. So let's go! Keukenhof is open from mid-March to mid-May. A crucial planning tip here: always buy your tickets in advance. The combination ticket, which includes both your round-trip bus fare and park entry, costs around 35 euros. This saves significant time and hassle upon arrival. Our day began quite early, departing from Amsterdam airport. Keukenhof arranges an express bus service directly from the airport, making it a very convenient starting point. To find the bus stop, look for the huge I Amsterdam sign, walk in the direction opposite of the sign, and straight ahead, you will find clear signs pointing towards Keukenhof Q-Bus. Follow these signs until you reach the designated bus stop for bus number 858. We took the 8 am bus and reached the park entrance in approximately 30 minutes. Keukenhof is a remarkably expansive park, so it is wise to have a plan to visit places in an order from the most to least important. Upon entry, you will find complimentary maps which are invaluable for navigation. We recommend heading directly to the Windmill first, as it tends to become quite crowded later in the day. As we made our way through the initial paths, the sheer volume of meticulously arranged tulip bulbs was already breathtaking. After a few minutes' walk, we reached the historic windmill spot, which gives a truly Dutch feeling. You can also ascend to the top of the windmill to get a nice view of the park. After enjoying the elevated views, we went on a 45-minute boat ride called Whisper Boat alongside the tulip fields. This costs an additional 10 euros. This offers a unique perspective, allowing you to glide through the canals and get a close look at the vibrant tulip fields that border the park. A truly picturesque experience. After the boat trip, we turned our attention to the various indoor pavilions. These structures host incredible displays of thousands of tulips and other flowers, each with a distinct theme. Our first stop was the Oranian Nasau Pavilion, which often features diverse flower arrangements and inspiring demonstrations. Next, we visited the Batrix Pavilion, showcasing magnificent orchids and other exotic plant displays. Finally, we explored the largest of the pavilion, the Willem Alexander Pavilion, providing a different floral spectacle. All in all, we spent about 4 hours immersed in the beauty of Keukenhof. By about 1 pm, we were ready to head back to the city center, taking the convenient shuttle bus directly from the park entrance. We hope these details help you plan your own visit to Keukenhof. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel planning videos. See you next time.